loafers. The timeless, versatile shoe you've seen all over Instagram and Pinterest. They've been around for ages, and unlike sneakers, they're not going anywhere. In this video, I'll show you why loafers are the ultimate grown-up shoe and how to style them with virtually any outfit. Stick around. But before I go and change into the first outfit, let's quickly touch upon why loafers are such a game changer. Well, you see, they're kind of the perfect middle ground between casual and formal, arguably way more versatile than sneakers are. Obviously dress them up wearing a suit, tailored pants, but of course you can also dress them down wearing just jeans or shorts even, and I'll show you how in a second. They have a all-season versatility, good for the warmer months, but also okay for the colder months too. And loafers have a timeless appeal. They have been around for ages, and I'm not gonna dive into the history of loafers, but unlike trendy sneakers, trust me when I say loafers are not going anywhere. All right, let's go and get changed. All right, now on to the fun portion of the video. I'm gonna style my black leather loafers from Sebago, and we're gonna start from most formal to most casual, so that regardless of the vibe or the occasion, I've got you covered. Now I'm gonna go change out of my sweatpants and into my suit. Okay, this is the first and most formal look of the bunch. I'm wearing my double-breasted suit from the French Bongueuil, and this is another, much like my loafers, very versatile piece because I can wear both pieces, the pants and the jacket separately, which gives me the flexibility to experiment with my looks. So I'm gonna step away and show you how the loafers look with the suit on. Okay, here we have the next, less formal look. I'm wearing a pair of pleated pants and a knit sweater, but let's take a step back and see the full look. Now, as you may have noticed, the colors of the knit sweater and the pants are slightly different shades of blue, and in many cases that's frowned upon by some people. In this case, I like it because I'm anchoring the whole look with the black loafers and the black belt here. I think it works perfectly fine and it gives off that kind of sleek, stylish vibe. Now, on to outfit 3 and into the more casual side of things. Okay, moving into denim territory, which automatically places us into a more casual spot. However, I'm pairing the denim with our black loafers again and a contrasting shirt, which I think gives the outfit a bit more of an elevated state. But let me take a step back and we can see the full outfit. Now, we're undeniably more casual here than the previous two looks. However, the addition of the loafers with the shirt and kind of buttoning one or two buttons make that outfit suitable for any cocktail or evening occasion, even with the casual note that the denim adds to it. So let's move on to something even more casual than this and see how the loafers look in that scenario. Nothing screams more casual and relaxed than a pair of classic straight blue jeans. And for this one, I'm keeping the shirt that I was wearing at the start of this video, and let's take a step back to see what the loafers do to this fit. Yeah, so we're most definitely into relaxed territory here. However, the addition of the loafers to the blue jeans and the simple long sleeve t-shirt, I feel like add an element that allows for this fit to look good in different settings, like, you know, take a walk in the park or even go for a drink at the bar or a midday coffee date, you name it. Bottom line is, the loafers here add an element of sophistication to the outfit that allow for it to look good in various different settings. All right, let's go and change into the next outfit. All right, let's shake things up a little bit because yes, I am wearing shorts with my loafers. Not only that, but I'm also wearing socks, long socks with my loafers. And before I shake any more feathers, let's take a step back and see how the outfit looks in its entirety. Now, I know some people have very strong opinions about this, but I for one think that there's absolutely nothing wrong with pairing loafers with shorts, especially if it's in the same color like this. And not just that, but also wearing socks, long socks, with that same outfit. I think this is the perfect outfit for a summer evening out. Think the outfit signals confidence, and just in case you needed the validation, I hope this helps a little bit. The other way I would modify this outfit to be even more casual is with a t-shirt. In this case, I'm wearing a white cropped t-shirt that I cropped myself, which I think gives me the right proportions, elongates my look, all the while keeping it very interesting with the clash between the shorts and t-shirt and the loafers. There you have it. This is how I style my loafers. And whether you're suiting up, keeping it a bit more casual with pleated trousers and knits, or even a pair of jeans, and even wearing your wrinkled t-shirts and shorts, I hope I've given you enough there to consider giving loafers a chance to be a more prominent part of your wardrobe. And as you may have noticed, I literally styled one pair of black loafers. I think this goes to show how versatile loafers can be. Now, how would you style your loafers? Would you do anything differently? Please let me know down in the comments. And if you've liked this video, do like and subscribe because I have a lot more fashion content coming your way.